Why meal prep snacks matter.
Healthy snacks can make a big difference in how you feel and eat all week. When you have nutritious options ready, you're less likely to reach for junk food. Meal prepping snacks saves time, helps you choose better ingredients, and can keep your energy steady throughout busy days. A little preparation goes a long way towards supporting your health goals.
Choosing the right snacks.
The key to smart snacking is picking foods that offer good nutrition and satisfaction. Choose snacks with a mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, like nuts, yogurt, cut veggies with hummus, or boiled eggs. Avoid snacks high in added sugars or processed ingredients, as they can lead to energy crashes and cravings later on.
Simple snack prep ideas.
Start by washing and portioning fresh fruits and vegetables into containers or bags. Make your own trail mix from unsalted nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Divide Greek yogurt or cottage cheese into single servings. Prep hummus, energy bites, or overnight oats. Having these snacks ready to grab helps you stick to healthy eating throughout the week.
Storage tips for freshness.
To keep snacks fresh, store them in airtight containers or reusable snack bags. Refrigerate perishable items like cut produce, yogurt, and eggs. Consider storing snacks in visible spots in your fridge or pantry to remind you they're ready to eat. Label containers with dates so you know when to enjoy them at their best.
Making meal prep a habit.
Set aside a little time each week, such as Sunday afternoon, to prep your snacks. Create a list of your favorite healthy options and rotate them to keep things interesting. Meal prepping snacks can fit into any routine and quickly become second nature. With a little planning, you'll have convenient, nutritious snacks to fuel your week.